Hello everyone. So, here's a question. Which is better? Is it Wix.com or WordPress? Okay, so WordPress is the better option for those looking for advanced customization options. Okay, so in terms of usability, it is more difficult compared to Wix. While on the other hand, Wix is ideal for users who want a platform that is easier to use without any technical expertise. So it's basically beginner friendly. Okay, so that is my answer regarding the question. So if you find this video informative, click like and then subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.